The Benks Lucent Pro case strikes an impressive balance between style and protection for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As a clear case, it perfectly showcases the phone's natural beauty while offering robust defense against daily wear and tear. The case's standout feature is its exceptional transparency. Crafted from high-quality polycarbonate, it maintains crystal clear clarity without the typical yellowing that plagues many clear cases. The soft TPU bumpers add a nice tactile experience and provide a comfortable grip on this massive phone. Military-grade protection is more than just a marketing claim here. SGS certified and meeting MIL-STD 810 standards. The Lucent Pro features innovative Invisi Warrior corner airbags that effectively absorb and distribute impact. This means your S25 Ultra stays safe without requiring the bulk of traditional rugged cases. The real magic happens with the Lebeda mag technology. Unlike other cases with exposed magnetic rings, Benks cleverly hides the MagSafe attraction mechanism within the back panel. This design prevents dust accumulation and potential magnetic degradation. With 36 robust N52 magnets, wireless charging and accessory attachment become seamless experiences. Precision is another highlight. The case offers exact cutouts for speakers and ports, and the buttons remain responsive. It's a tailored fit that doesn't compromise the phone's functionality. My only reservation is the price point, which seems steep. However, for those who've already invested in a premium device like the S25 Ultra, the Benks Lucent Pro represents a worthwhile additional investment. If you want comprehensive protection without sacrificing the phone's aesthetic appeal, this case delivers admirably.